What is going on, you guys? Sorry about that 5-second delay, but what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Wacky Revenge, and we are bringing you some Fast and Furious today. I've actually did an episode 1 on this, but it got cut up into parts by accident, and it is very hard to edit that. It really is. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get our daily claim. So I haven't did too much though. Yeah, I haven't did too much. So yeah, we're here with our first card. This is our only card that we have. We have the, what is the name of this again? I forgot. I think it's a Subaru. Yeah, Subaru. And yeah, it's a pretty fast car. Not gonna lie, but can't do no upgrades on it yet. But yeah, so in this game you run out of fuel when you play. So yeah, we have to keep redoing our fuel. So I think I'll do episodes by the fuel. When we run out of fuel is when I'll cut the video out, and that'll be the end of the video. But before we even do our first race, which is not a race, we're about to do a drift. Be sure to hit that like button, comment down below for whatever reason. But yeah, and press the subscribe button. But yeah, so I'm gonna run y'all. It takes a minute to load these for some reason. You know, it's not because of my tablet or anything. It just takes a minute to load. But yeah, doing some Fast and Furious Legacy. Y'all already know what I want to get. I want to get that GTR, that Dodge Charger. I mean Challenger. We can get a Charger too. That's cool. All right. So let's go ahead and get in the launch zone here. Oh, got a perfect launch. Let's see. We drifting. We drifting. We drifting. We drifting. We drifting. Ooh. We drifting. We drifting. We drifting, y'all. So this is pretty, it's easy, but you know, I'm not gonna say it's hard. Oh, okay, so you gotta keep wiggling it. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, so I won. As y'all can see, we wasn't really racing anybody, but like we were racing people, but we wasn't at the same time. But yeah, so we won. Let's tap. Let's see our rewards here. We got 75 XP to look. What's the name? Whatever that's called. And 1,000 of those coins and 20 fast coins. But yeah, don't mind the background noise, the background noise, the background noise. Don't mind the background noise, the background noise, the background noise. Alright. Congratulations, you have reached a new level, level 2. Cool. Get a reward, 50 fast coins. Okay, that's cool. Alright, next race is a drift again. And it is very hard. Okay, so let's go back. That means we need to upgrade some stuff. Oh, I pressed the wrong thing. Upgrades. Alrighty here, so let's see. We need to make something that is high. So everything we get will make it 278. I don't want to get nitrous because this next one is a drift. So let's get gearbox. Yeah, so we're going to get this upgrade. Okay, we're at 278. And yeah. So let's go back and let's see how easy it is to do now. It's hard. Okay. Okay, we could do this. Yeah, I know about that. Challenge. Normal street. Okay, we can do this. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Y'all, I'm so tired. I've been working. Well, not working as in a job working, but I've been doing stuff for you because y'all know Easter was yesterday, which was Sunday, and we had like a little event at my church, and I had to do like 3 dances, mime dances. Had to do like 3 of those, and another dance that was very hype, and yeah, and we was working on that like every week, every day type of thing. Well, I was at home. I know I was, but yep. But the crazy thing is I don't want to take a break. They talking about they wanna. They don't know if they're gonna let us take a break, but I don't want to take a break. All right, y'all. So we got a street race. We are racing against this guy. We got a perfect launch already. So you can get the cops on you, which you can do that. I'm just racing. I'm just beating. Let's go ahead and call it a nitrous. Let's just go ahead and call it a nitrous. Let's get out of there. Yep. So yeah, we already won. Ain't no way he's gonna come back and get us. There's no way. Boom, this game. Just like that. Skirt. That Subaru, boy, that ain't what you want. Launch reaction. Oh, boy, mine was in like 4 milliseconds. Let go. My reaction too fast. Alright. Street mode. When you smash into your opponent, you're getting a trading paint bonus. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Alright, so what's happening? Okay, we can do the next challenge. But let's see, I got 3. Okay, I can go and upgrade another part. So this time I think I'm gonna do the suspension or the tires. Suspension it is. Upgrade. Bam. So I could instantly upgrade some other stuff, but I don't want to do that too much. I want to save up to get like one of these pro crates. Get another car, a faster car, you know, stuff like that. Okay, let's go back to the story. Normal, okay. Race. Alright, y'all. We're racing till we run out of fuel. Hold on, just let me clear that right quick. How long we've been recording? We've been recording for about 8 minutes, so I want to say this video is going to be 10 minutes long, and stuff like that. But another thing, well, no, I'll make a separate video for that. Expect the announcement video probably Tuesday or Wednesday, or it might be today. But expect like a not an announcement, but you know, just some updates on some stuff. Like I have so many um I have so many videos recorded. It's just like they keep breaking into parts, and to edit them and put them together. I have a program for that, but it's so hard. Well, it's not hard, but it's just crazy. Alright, y'all, we're racing against Sheen again. So this is my second time racing against him. Okay, I think I got this. Yeah, my bad for being quiet. I'm trying to concentrate. Yes, we win again. I haven't really lost yet. It's been a while since I rode against someone with your skills. Perfect time for it too. See, I'm about to head back stateside, thinking somewhere warm like Miami. Been here too long, too many memories haunting this place. It's good to know that it's good to know someone from the family can step in and keep Han's legacy alive. Okay. Let's tap to continue. Game tip. Launching while in the launch zone gives you an additional nitrous to start the race with. I know. I didn't know that. I just thought you'd get a nice launch. I didn't know it gives you nitrous as well. Alright, our last race is a street race, and it's very hard, so y'all know what that means. We gotta go back and try to upgrade something. But to upgrade something, hold on, how much fuel do we have? Where does it show that at? I don't even know. Oh, right here. Okay, so we're clean right now. We got I believe three more things. I mean, three more races we can do. Wasn't trying to tap that. Let's go back. Races. I'm tired. Let's do a ranked race. Let's rank. Oh, I might do a separate series for that. And I can't even play ranked, I don't think. Yeah, I don't think I can play ranked. Oh. Well, let's go back to challenge. Let's do this. I'm so tired. Been recording for 12 minutes. Thought this was going to be a 10-minute long video. At least that's what I tried to make it. Then to access your account for multiple devices, create a Kabam ID when you start the game. I don't want a Kabam ID, okay? I won't be doing this for multiple devices, just this one device, because just this one device. Yo, I'm sitting over here yawning, bro. I'm super tired. Eyes watering. Everything. Oops. Somebody texting me. And I didn't oops. And I didn't text them back. That person gonna get mad. Dang it. Almost got that little book. And we're out of here, boys. I want to trade paint. I wonder if he's going to catch up. So I can trade paint with him. Swerving. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. That was bad. Oh, crap. Why was I playing? Ugh. Come here, boy. Boy. Ooh. Boy. I wish you could, like, drift in street races. Oh, yeah, I forgot you could do this. No. 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 Boost to the finish! Dang, he was right behind me, too. Oh. So we got two more of them things, which I believe we can upgrade. Oh yeah, we can upgrade some more. Yes, that's good. Racing is all about timing. Time your launch, shifts, drifts, and steering to refill your nitrous. Yeah. Wherever. Y'all hear me yawning? I'm just so tired, man. We're about to beat the Tokyo. We should be able to upgrade two things. So let's go ahead and upgrade our tires. Let's go ahead and upgrade that, and then this is next, which is recommended. So I'm gonna instant upgrade it. Oh, it's still recommended. I'm gonna instant upgrade it again. Instant upgrade that. Instant upgrade that. That as well. That. And now I'm gonna wait. So everything's upgraded by 2. Spent a lot of what's the name during that time, but you know, it's gonna be good. So this should be like on easy now. Oh, it's on normal. What? Thought that would be like on easy. I upgraded everything twice. If a race is too difficult, buy upgrades to improve your car's performance. I know, I know. I know, I know, I know. That's my third yawn, fourth, third yawn, whatever. Oh, I went to sleep for like 2 seconds. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, I already read that. All right, my bad for all that silence, but I believe this is our last race as well. His name Twinkie with your fat self. All right, so we're gonna do some drafting so we can get this race. Oh, so we can get yeah. Oh crap, yeah. Stay behind me. Stay behind me. Stay behind me. Burn off. Uh, yeah. Whoa. Draft, draft, draft. Come here. Draft, draft, draft. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, we gotta hit it again. Oh, boost to the finish. Just that's fun. Oh yeah, swerving. Show the back of my car like a boss. Oh, that little hustler got beat. Oh, that was Bow Wow. I was just being hospitable, trying to make the guest feel at home. She says two, you two are cool, so I'm doing what I can. It's cool. Might take you up. Yeah. Oh, and Record Revenge says, called me and said he wants you back in Miami. It says something about family business. Uh, 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 Street mode. Change lanes to avoid hitting cars, other cars, and obstacles. I know. Had to go that yawn again. All right, y'all, I got this last thing. I don't know what that. No, Mr. Reward. Oh yeah, car and parts. Let me go. Or y'all be back in Miami. Or was it? No, we was in Los Angeles first. You received it? Yes, I like to receive it. Use. Okay, 20 of those. Cool. All right, so. Okay, hold on. We got some mail. We got some mail. Claim my free rewards now. Oh. 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 Oh my God. Hold on, wait. So did we get the car? Oh. Oh. Oh, look at this fat thing. I'm gonna keep my Subaru though, but this thing is. Can I trade that car? Oh, I can. Hold on. Wait. Wait a minute. Trade your stock cars for performance. Oh, trade in. Yes. One of. Oh. Okay, well, I guess that's gonna be the end of the episode. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this Fast and Furious non-cut up 20-minute long video. I apologize, but yeah, we have one fuel left, which I'm gonna save. But yeah, hold on. Do we got a part? We got something we can open? What is this? What? Oh, what? Are you sure you want to sell these parts? Oh, I can sell that? Oh, okay. Oh, that is awesome. All right, so we'll say that for next episode to do some upgrading. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed. We have been wrestling with the Subaru. And yeah. So I'll see y'all guys later. And peace.